how to use Western Union Pay in Store feature. The Western Union Pay in feature, also known as Start Online Pay in Store, allows you to set up money transfer on Western Union website or mobile app. What you need is, first thing first, open the Western Union app onto your device, log in, and once logged in, you have to enter the destination country and the amount you wish to send. After which, you want to select the receiver's payout method, whether it's a cash pickup or a bank transfer. And when prompted for a payment method, you could just choose Pay in Cash or Pay Cash in Store. This generates a tracking number, MTCN, that is typically valid for 24 hours. And then you could just go and visit the agent location. That means find a participating Western Union agent locations or a local convenience store. A government issued ID must be provided and a phone number associated with your account and a total amount in cash including the principal at any applicable transfer as well. And this is how you will be able to complete the transfer. And this is the way you could use Western Union Pay in Store feature. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.